In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. So as you all know, Instagram has just released a new feature where you can now add in notes so that other people that follow you can see them. Now the notes section generally show up on the message section on the top. So as you can see, I do not have on mine. Now this is a new feature added by Instagram. There is nothing that you need to worry about because Instagram slowly releases it to everyone, not at once. But if you don't have it, you can wait out a couple of days, and within a couple of days you should have that option. But if you want to get this feature quickly, you can try out a couple of things. The first thing you can check is if you have updated the app of Instagram. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store and check if there is an update. Now after you update the app, you still don't have that feature, you can try to report a problem to Instagram directly. To do that, open up your Instagram and then head over to the chat section and quickly take a screenshot of it that we can add it to the problem section. Now all you need to do is tap on your profile, tap on the three lines up top, tap on settings and tap on help, and then lastly tap on report a problem. Now a default screenshot will be added automatically. You can remove it and tap on gallery and add the screenshot that you just took. And after that, you can also type in something like this and you can tap on send to send the problem to Instagram. After a couple of days, you should be able to get the notes option on your account of Instagram. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.